Building generational wealth will look different for everyone. That's why I always tell people, I said, you can determine your path to wealth. My wealth and the people around you and the people even in your family, it won't look the same because we all have different goals, we have different outcomes. But one of the things that we all have in common is that we want to be able to break the negative cycle of financial lack. Credit doesn't have to be scary. It's a tool if used right. Understanding how important it is to be able to manage and save and think about the future. Remember that wealth is a journey, not a sprint. And you don't have to let people, your family, or social media make you feel like that you have to keep up with anybody but the goals that you have set for you and your family. You can do this. You are already a financial trailblazer because you and your family are creating your own paths to wealth.